Welcome to our channel Rasil Education. Ngasi ekhoi discussion togdoriba asi general knowledge subject kini topic na nickname of countries in the world. Nickname of countries in the world haibadi country singi atopa maming mayamna khangnaba maming masigi topic asi SSC GD SSC MTS SSC CHSL Delhi Police MTS RPF SSC CGL na chingba exam singda kanagdab topic ni masida natana Indian Army Indian Navy Indian Air Force amadi banking na chingba job recruitment exam sing thabada yamna kanagdab topic ni ekoi discussion asi haurasi. Question number 1, which country is known as the bread basket of Europe? Option A, the Finland. Option B, the Iceland. Option C, the Italy. Option D, the Ukraine. The bread basket of Europe. Hairaga karamba country bu khangnabage. Correct answer is option D, Ukraine. Ukraine hairiba country asi the bread basket of Europe hairaga su khangnai. Next question, question number 2. Which country is known as land of fire and ice? Land of fire and ice hairaga karamba country bu khangnabage. Correct answer is option B, Iceland. Iceland hairiba country asi land of fire and ice hairaga su khangnai. Question number 3. Which country is known as land of thousand lakes? Land of thousand lakes hairaga karamba country bu khangnabage. Finland, Iceland, Italy or Ukraine? Correct answer is option A, Finland. Mathangi question, question number 4. Which country is known as Uncle Sam? Uncle Sam hairaga karamba country bu khangnabage. Correct answer is option A, USA. USA hairiba country asi Uncle Sam hairaga su khangnai. Mathangi question, question number 5. Which country is known as Rainbow Nation? Rainbow Nation hairaga karamba country bu khangnabage. Correct answer is option C, South Africa. South Africa si Rainbow Nation hairaga su khangnai. Mathangi question, question number 6. Which country is known as land of poets? Land of poets hairaga karamba country bu khangnabage. Correct answer is option B, Chile. Mathangi question, question number 7. Which country is known as the Great White North? The Great White North hairaga karamba country bu khangnabage. Correct option is option D, Canada. Canada asi the Great White North hairaga su khangnai. Mathangi question, question number 8. Which country is known as land of smiles? Land of smiles hairaga karamba country bu khangnabage. Correct answer is option C, Thailand. Thailand hairiba country asi land of smiles hairaga su khangnai. Mathangi question, question number 9. Which country is known as land of blue sky? Land of blue sky hairaga karamba country bu khangnabage. Correct answer is option D, Mongolia. Mongolia hairiba country asi land of blue sky hairaga su khangnai. Mathangi question, question number 10. Which country is known as graveyard of empires? Graveyard of empires hairaga karamba country bu khangnabage. Correct answer is option B, Afghanistan. Afghanistan hairiba country asi graveyard of empires hairaga su khangnai. Mathangi question, question number 11. Which country is known as the gift of the Nile? Gift of the Nile hairaga karamba country bu khangnabage. Correct answer is option A, Egypt. Egypt hairiba country si gift of the Nile hairaga su khangnai. Mathangi question, question number 12. Which country is known as land of the thunder dragon? Land of the thunder dragon hairaga karamba country bu khangnabage. Correct answer is option C, Bhutan. Bhutan hairiba country asi land of thunder dragon hairaga su khangnai. Next question, question number 13. Which country is known as land of the rising sun? Land of the rising sun hairaga karamba country bu khangnai. Correct answer is option A, Japan. Japan hairiba country asi land of rising sun hairaga su khangnai. Next question, question number 14. Which country is known as the red dragon? The red dragon hairaga karamba country bu khangnabage. Correct answer is option B, China hairiba country asi the red dragon hairagasu khangnai. Next question number 15. Which country is known as the Emerald of the Equator? Emerald of the Equator hairaga karamba country bu khangnabage? Correct answer is option D, Indonesia. Indonesia hairiba country asi Emerald of the Equator hairagasu khangnai.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel Rasil Education for central government job exams and other important tips, shortcut methods, knowledge, job notification updates, etc.